We understand that finding the perfect home can be hard. We make it easy. How does CooleHome help you? Our unique construction loan helps buyers build their dream home. This process allows you to get the home you want based on your budget. How does it work? Step 1. The buyer meets with one of our loan officers to apply for financing. Based on the monthly payment that is comfortable to you, we can then determine the project budget. Step 2. The buyer meets with the builder and a design consultant to plan out the home. Step 3. We open escrow. The buyer places a deposit into escrow, and the plans and permits are sent to the county for approval. Step 4. Once the plans and permits are approved, the appraisal is conducted, the interest rate is locked, the buyer pays their down payment, and the seller is paid for the land. Step 5. Construction begins. The builder is paid in installments as different phases of work are completed. Step 6. The home is completed. The buyer moves in and begins making their mortgage payments. CooleHome. We work hard to make real estate easy for you.